talking about is Temp-tations, and these are the oven gloves. Many of you are excited about these because you don't get one pair, you get two pair. 4 gloves, 2 pair. You may order the large or the small. You'll get 2 pair of whatever size you order. I have a new pattern today. And I also have Tara Tesher live in studio. Already 400 of these are gone, my darling. How are you?
I beat you to the hip check. I'm good. Are you kidding?
There it is.
I'm fantastic. We have the most patterns we have ever offered, David, in our gloves today. There are 4 of them, and here's why I designed them. In and out of the oven, in and out of the microwave, having the right thing to protect your hand, the right tool in the kitchen. This is why. Layer upon layer of protection. Not only do you have the protection on the inside, you also have the protection on the outside. You have silicone on the front and on the back. Why? Non-slip grip. So when you're opening things like jars, when you're needing a little like dexterity issues and you need to make sure that things are staying put, this is why you want this. No right hand, no left hand, and you're getting 4 of them, which is fantastic indoors and outdoors.
And we have a brand new pattern. I'm wearing it. Holiday lights.
Holiday lights.
Holiday lights.
We got a lot of patterns we got to get through.
We have a lot of patterns, so we're going to get through those. You know, since we first started offering these to you, over 187,000 sets have been ordered. You're getting 2 sets today for less than a $20 bill and free shipping and handling.
Love it.
All right, shall we go through our colors?
Yes.
All right, now let's start back here and talk to you about gray reindeer. Beautifully done in the gray reindeer. From there, we're going to go into our classic colors. Here's Hello Yellow in honor of the 20th anniversary, right?
Yes.
And then we've got it in blue. Here is the black. This is gray damask. Always popular. Then Paul Fetty.
Back in stock, you guys. We cannot keep Paul Fetty in stock, so love that that's there today.
Awesome. And then Red Doodle.
Right.
And then I've got, I believe called Nista. This is Believe.
And you'll see that later in our soup and sandwich.
Exactly.
Yes.
Up top, we've got Pumpkin Patch. And then do we call this one Jack?
Look at him, the little pumpkin, little jack-o'-lantern. So again, cute with the silicone there if you're thinking about gifting these, or you just love to swap out your seasonal.
And these ship immediately.
This is great. I love that.
So you don't have to worry.
Right?
Buffetti, boo.
Boo.
Fetty.
Yes.
700 left here. I also have it in Harvest. This is Egg Hunt. Then I have Romance.
I love that with the pink and the pops of the red and the white.
We're last call in Romance, large only.
Oh, got it. Okay.
Only.
Okay.
Now, what is this next one called, Tara?
Hollyberry.
Hollyberry. Now, that
Yes.
one may not be new to you, but it's new to me.
Yes, it's new to you, but new this season.
New this season.
Oh, my favorite. The gnomes.
The gnomes.
Rolling with my gnomies.
I'm just hanging with my gnomies.
Love it.
Yeah, I am.
How fun. And then the holiday lights.
And then
are a
the holiday
reminder.
lights.
Yes. All right, I'm going to sneak over
Now,
here.
there's also a green available, but it is, we don't have a sample. So if you'd like the green, there is a look at the green. Now, when you pick up a boiling hot whistling tea kettle and you pop this on your hand, you feel some heat, yes?
Sure.
But it's not scalding me.
Right.
It's not burning me. I feel some heat through the glove as you would with any kind of glove.
Of course.
But this is amazing.
Amazing. And now, yes, we call this an extreme demo, right? The fact that you probably wouldn't grab your boiling tea kettle or your cast iron or any of your baking pieces, frying bacon. You can literally reach right in there, turn the bacon over, the splatter, your wrist is protected because I've designed it that way. Follow me over here because I want to show you this, David.
Okay.
I'm actually going to start this bad boy back up again. Let's do cancel and then we'll do start. Bake. This is why I don't present Oster. Sorry, just kidding. But I love it and I'm obsessed with it. So here's why I designed these. The ability to go into my full-size oven or my stovetop oven. The ability to touch the wire racks, touch the side, touch the broiler component up here. And I don't have to worry. My hand is completely protected. So I'm able to reach right in here and slide my hand under. This is 4 quarts of mac and cheese. I can touch it at any angle. This is what we're talking about, the right tool in the kitchen. And walk it over because you're getting 4, David. I now can use 1 as a trivet. And I can put that down right on the table and not have to, I knew you were going to do that, not have to worry about it. Scoop it into my brand new soup and sandwich coming up.
The 20-ounce soup and sandwich.
In honor of our 20th anniversary.
Look at that.
But look at this. Now, not only is my table protected, my hands were protected. If I need help opening those hard jars, look, that non-slip silicone grip helps me do that too.
We just sold out of Romance.
Oh, the Romance is gone. I had to do it.
And we're last call in Egg Hunt. I didn't, Joe was not lost on me. Egg Hunt is now last call. And this is the brand new Christmas lights.
So fun.
holiday lights. I keep calling them Christmas lights. They're holiday lights. And then you have the gnomes, which are very popular.
Which are super cute. This is such a fun thing, David, to tuck into all of those kind of gift baskets that we're putting together. Because you're getting 4, you can keep a pair, and that's kind of why I designed these. Keep a pair, give a pair. Keep a pair inside, keep a pair outside. Take them to your grill all summer long. I flipped corn on the cob.
Right.
I flipped baked potatoes, reaching my hand right inside there. This is my mom's trick. She slides her hand right under there because she doesn't have the strength and the dexterity. This is cast aluminum. Do you know how hot that gets? You have boiling water. What do you feel in your hands?
Some warmth, and that's it.
Yes, and that's it. And so a little housekeeping. There's 2 different sizes, a small, which is a small medium, and then there's a large, which is what David is wearing, which is a large, extra large. They should fit like your snow gloves. You want to have a little room at your fingertips because that also helps with dispersing that heat so that it's not burning you. Layer upon layer of protection. And then we just put the fun, the whimsy, the patterns, the silicone, all working together to create the most perfect way to take anything hot out of an oven or a microwave into the freezer. This is why these are a must-have in your kitchen.
Look how high they are on the wrist as well.
I have so many burns. Look, I have so many burns from reaching in that I wanted to make sure I designed a cuff that was long enough so that when I do reach in and I do bump it, I don't have to worry.
Let's go through our color choices again, reminding you we have, I believe, small and large in everything. Is that right, Sean? Okay, when we get to Egg Hunt, only large. Okay, here is the Hello Yellow in honor of beautiful 20th anniversary. Here's blue. I've got black, gray damask, very, very popular. This is Paul Fetty, always a very popular choice. Then I've got red doodle. This is called Nista. This is called Believe, and those are honeycombs on there.
With
really
little
beautiful.
bees.
And then up top, Pumpkin Patch. This one, just in time for Halloween, is called Jack, and we're shipping these immediately. So if you want to order that, it'll be there in plenty of time for your Halloween celebration, as will Buffetti.
Yes.
$6.50 left in the Buffetti. Here's Harvest, $600. If you want Egg Hunt, only available now in the large, and I have 5 dozen left.
Got it. Okay.
This one is
Holly
Berry. Then most popular today is the gnomes.
It is. I love the gnomes.
And then we've got holiday lights.
Yeah, perfect.
Oh, and don't forget gray reindeer.
And you're getting all 4. There we're showing you all 4 either in the large, all 4 in the small. There's that boiling tea kettle I'm going to run right over.
And get
because
that.
Here's what I love about it, right? Being able to take your cast iron off the stove top and be able to touch it. Take that boiling tea kettle, hold the sides, but more importantly, put it right on top of my hand and not feel any, I feel a little heat. It's certainly not burning. I can stand here and continue talking to you and not wince and not worry about it. That's why we love these gloves, whether you're taking them to the barbecue, whether you're using them on your stovetop, your full oven, whatever, all 4. It's phenomenal.
All 4 gloves, 2 pair for $19 and change. Free shipping and handling. How many are gone now, Sean? 4,000 sets are gone. How many folks are waiting to place orders? Almost 4,000 people are on our ordering lines. You know, Tara, I used to say our phone lines are very busy.
Yes.
That's only a fraction of how people are ordering these days.
So true.
Our ordering systems are busy. QVC.com, mobile app, phone lines, all of it. So this is your opportunity. What was that, Sean? I'm sorry, I thought you said something. All right, so this is an air fryer oven that will also do your pizza.
Do your pizza, and notice that I'm taking that rack directly out with the gloves. As I mentioned before, I can reach in. There's my wrist protected like David was talking about. I don't have to worry about that. I literally can touch the sides. I can touch the broiler. And I've been holding this, which is truly has that beautiful piece of pizza with pepperoni by design.
My fave.
By design, that I can now walk right over there, take it off and put it on my little plate, and I am good to go, still holding that piping hot piece with that glove, and no worries. I can put the glove down and use it as a trivet. So think about these also as the best way to come in and out of your oven, but also to put it down on your table to protect your table as well.
So many of you now are making your choice, and let me encourage you to remember that you can get as many sets as you need, because whether you order 1 set or 5, it's free shipping and handling across the board, all until end of day today. So that goes for any of Tara's Temp-tations items on QVC.com. This one, the soup and sandwich with a deep dish lid, coming up a little later in the show, which is brand new. Everything's on free
Hey, you wanna hold
ship.
that?
Oh, sure.
Okay.
There we go. Boiling hot off the. Now, do I feel a little heat coming through my oven glove? Sure, I do.
Yeah.
Because anytime you pick up something scalding hot, you're going to feel some heat. But is it burning me? No.
Right.
And am I wincing? Look at my face.
And I love the cuffs on yours too. Look at how that goes right up to your regular cuff.
It goes right
so
up to my regular cuff, so I can go into the oven and take a great big heavy lasagna, 9x13 out of the oven, whatever the case
Or
may
mac
be,
and
right?
cheese.
Or mac and cheese, right? I've been
Yes.
working on a whole wheat pasta version.
Oh, yes.
It's not bad at all.
Oh, I'm excited.
Still perfecting, but it's good.
Yay.
So this is
is
fantastic. Don't miss out on your opportunity to pick these up and get yours while the getting is good. 6,000 sets are gone. We still have 4,000 people waiting to
Holy
place
cow.
orders.
Wow.
QVC.com and mobile apps are the best way to get through right now. Tara, we'll be back later with brand new soup and sandwich. But